Scorpios, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you, a bonus reading for you rather I should say, and it's a bonus reading for you. And as you know, it's a general reading, may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if the reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign, Venus sign and the name sign. And for a personal reading, the details are given in the description box below. You can also follow me on Instagram, where the readings are done in Hindi as well as in English, and the link of that is also given in the description box below. Okay, so let's get started, Scorpios. See what are the messages from this deck. Okay. Okay, so Scorpios, there is a fight going on, either an argument or a fight or a conflict in your head or actually outside. But definitely there is something going on in your life which is causing a lot of disturbance to you. You are not at peace with yourself, and it's immediately followed by the Lovers. So it is either an argument or a fight with your partner or for a partner. It can be anything. So either you are fighting for a relationship perhaps, because what I am feeling here is that you are fighting for a relationship rather than that you are fighting with your person. Though it can be that also for some of you, that you are actually fighting with your partner. But the vibe which I am getting here is that you are either you are conflicted about this situation, that you want to move ahead or not, or you have to struggle to be with this person. That's what I'm getting more, that you are fighting for this relationship, maybe you to save this relationship or to move ahead in this relationship, maybe for a commitment in a relationship, whatever it is. But what I feel is that you're fighting for this relationship. There is somebody whom you love, whom you like, whom you want to commit to, whom you want to be with, and maybe people are not agreeing for it. Maybe your family, your friends, or somebody, they're not agreeing for this connection, and you have to fight for that. Maybe you have to convince them and they're not being convinced. It is something like that. Okay, so you are fighting for a connection. I don't think that I'm not getting that vibe that you're fighting with your partner basically. You may be, but I'm not feeling that for the majority of you. Okay, so definitely you are fighting, you are trying to convince people about a connection, and that is leading to that heated argument basically. Okay, and then uh, here with the Ace of Wands, I feel that you are moving towards this person, whosoever this relationship is. You are moving ahead in this direction, whatever. Either you are able to settle this conflict or not, I don't know, but definitely you are moving towards this person or situation or opportunity. But I feel it is a relationship here, and there is a passionate new beginning over here. You want to grow with this person, you want to be with this person, you want to spend your life with this person, whosoever this person is. Okay, and here with the Emperor, what I feel is, I think you've taken a strong decision basically. Maybe you are standing your ground. Okay, yes, this is my decision and this is what I'll do. As simple as that. Maybe it is something like that. You have taken a firm stand, you are being rigid on it, you are not listening to others, you want to do what you feel is right for you, and you've taken a firm stand. That's what I feel here with the Emperor. Okay, you want to be with this person, and that's it, as simple as that, and you are standing your ground. You have taken a decision on that. You won't budge. You don't want to budge over it. And here with the Seven of Swords and the Eight of Cups, I think here either you take whatever you feel like, maybe your some belongings or something like that, some resources you are taking away with you. You are taking away something and moving away from someone. It's something like that. So I don't think that you are able to convince these people. Perhaps maybe you are not able to convince, because what I see here is that you are taking away some sort of some resources, some information, maybe some money, maybe some information, maybe your own stuff, whatever it is. You're taking that and moving in a direction, just looking back to see as to what is left. And there you see somebody is moving away from this emotional aspect. So what I feel is maybe you are moving away from a emotional relationship and taking away your resources, perhaps to be with your person, because you've taken a stand here. You are moving away from something which you were emotional about, and it can be your family, it can be some other relationship, it can be your friends, whatever it means to you, I don't know, but you are moving away from a important which was something sometime very very important for you. It was something, whatever you are moving away from was at one point in time very important for you. Okay, and you were very emotional, you had invested a lot in this, whatever you are walking away from, and you are taking away some resources also. Okay, you are not leaving everything and just going there, you are taking your resources but moving away emotionally. Got it? Okay, so you are taking away the materialistic aspects, whatever you need, whatever the resources are, but on the emotional level you are moving away. It's something like that, for a new beginning. And that is what is coming in. You are doing all this for a new beginning, and this new beginning is coming in, which is talking about self abundance. It is talking about self satisfaction, self abundance, and self what should I say, self sufficient. Yeah, self sufficient. You feel self sufficient over here. And with the King of Swords, again, what I feel here is that since you have started a new beginning over here, but you are still very strategic, and you won't let anybody, you are guarding whatever this is for you. Okay, you are guarding it, and you won't let anybody harm it. It's something like that. Whatever this means for you, it is very important for you, and you will not let anybody spoil it. It's something like that. That is your energy, and you won't listen to anyone. You have taken a firm stand. You will do what needs to be done for that. Okay, and here with the Three of Pentacles and Two of Pentacles, I think there comes something when people come to you, maybe to discuss about this thing or something else. There is some event which is happening, which is requiring a discussion out here. Okay, so maybe it is those people coming once again, or maybe somebody else, but definitely there is some discussion going on over here, and again there is some sort of indecisiveness. Again there is some sort of, so there is some discussion going on about something, whatever it is, and then you are trying to decide about it. Okay, so you've discussed the pros and cons, you are discussing something, somebody has come up to you for your opinion, for your discussion, or maybe these people have returned to your life to talk about whatever it is, perhaps, and that is why you are being very guarded, and you don't want anybody to spoil it, whatever it means to you, and still you are talking to them in a peaceful way, and you are taking a decision over something again. You are deciding over something here, and I think you will be able to take a decision. And with the Knight of Wands, you are moving towards this thing in a very passionate way. So see, what is possible here is, what I am getting the vibe is that when you were trying to convince these people, whosoever they were not getting convinced. You took your stand and you moved ahead in life, and then maybe they return back to you. They talk to you. Maybe they want a reunion. Maybe they want things to be settled in some way, shape, or form. And once you take a decision about, okay, what should I do? Should I reconcile with them? Should I not reconcile with them? Something like that. And then you perhaps think of getting back to them and being okay with them also. That's what I feel, because you are rushing back, because you had emotions for that situation, those people. It's not that you didn't have emotions for them, so you go back rushing towards these people. That's what I feel. Or this person, whosoever this person was, which was a source of conflict, whosoever you were trying to convince over there. So since you had a lot of emotions, it is not that the emotions have died down, though you were being very defensive. But then once you make up your mind, you passionately move towards them very, very fast. Okay, so maybe it is those people only. And here, just see, with the Seven of Diamonds, beautiful happiness. So it is a happy ending, basically, I should say. So all's well that ends well, Scorpio. So I think everything is going to be okay. And this is the happiest card out here. So you will be blossoming, you will be happy. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps. And please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.